You too, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. We are back with another Barbers Gone Wild. Let's not waste no more time. Cue the intro. All right. You're being so aggressive though. My man hacking away. Hacksaw Ridge, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. My man is going in on my boy's head. You ain't gotta be that aggressive.
Barbers Gone Wild.
They did a good job. You know, you give credit where credit is due. They did a good job of exploiting the things that we have going on defensively.
You guys will be able to remove one element that's been working against you.
What
last
are
month.
you brush? He using a Torino though.
The calendar, I think 11 out.
Barbers Gone Wild.
How much y'all boy be getting them pounds for?
When you end up going to the, I didn't even get to read it.
This never was really my passion. It's like this shit chose me.
I'm getting up. I'm getting up after you
I don't
say
know
something
who the
like
fuck
that.
cut your hair before this, but I'm gonna go and get your shit right back on track. After this, we're gonna let everything grow in.
Depending on whether or not I felt like the barber the last time did me
So
wrong.
I went ahead, I just decided I ain't gonna charge you for this one, my boy. This on the
Yeah,
house.
you know you messed up if this one's on the
I'll
house.
clean you up so you can get up out of here.
Bro, that's way he lied. Yeah, he didn't. I already knew it. You already know this was the making of that type of barber. That's. We seen this in movies. Barbershop.
I told you to stop moving,
barbershop
bro. I
too.
told you not to move.
We seen this
I'm
in
gonna be
movies,
able.
man.
I should be able to bring you
Finna
back.
fill it in.
Barbers Gone Wild.
Okay, man, my man pulling out diameter to the Rubik's Cube to the third power to the fourth, fifth section. Bro, it don't even take all of this. Come on now, it do not take all of this. What are the numbers for? Especially if you was just going to erase it. This the man unit Cat Williams was talking about. No, don't you blow me a kiss. No. Bro, your beard is way too dark. It's no.
Barbers Gone Wild.
What is going on here? I was about to say, is that a man unit? Because it kind of seemed like one. But my man's dipping. He had a bunch of hair on his head. Where the waves at? Where the waves go?
Barbers Gone Wild.
You can't charge no $80 for no haircut. Get the fuck out of my face. Because you're not gonna do that shit, man. Come on, don't call me no boy no more, bro. Don't call me no boy. Don't call me no boy. Get your shit and get the fuck out of here, man. Get your shit and get out of here, bro. You can't do that shit in here. Don't ever come in my establishment and do that like that ever again, dude. You need to pack your things and get out of here. That's what you're trying to do. That's what you need to do, bro.
Wait, is he trying to say he can't charge what he wants in his establishment? That's what he's talking about? He's saying that he got to get up out of there because he's charging a certain price?
Barbers Gone Wild.
When you keep in the face.
I got you. Shaded, man. How you doing, bro? Just ready to get this nice cut. You come highly recommended, man. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody in the finest can cut, bro. Get down,
Okay. I just got here from Vegas, man. I'm trying to get it right.
All right, came from Vegas.
Yeah, I was out there about 3 weeks ago. Lost all my damn money.
Oh, man. Sorry to hear
So,
that.
what you do for a living, bro?
I do stand-up comedy, baby.
Oh, comedian?
Yeah, dad.
Oh, for real? Listen. Man, you look funny, though, bro.
What?
No homo. No homo.
It ain't no homo. Well, you just said I look funny.
So, what kind of cut you trying to get? Ball fade, taper, shag, or something?
I'm trying to get that little taper, get them sides right and nice, baby. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I got you. It's cool to move your hat, though, fam?
Yeah, be gentle.
All right, so.
And
Motherfucker!
Mother.
Barbers gone wild.
They made this nigga beard out of rumors. This nigga beard look like the word allegedly. This nigga beard look like the mycelium network. His beard talked to mushrooms. They made his beard out of whispers. His beard's still loading. Oh my God. He gotta buy the rest of his beard as DLC. He bogus as...
Yo, hey, why is his beard so translucent though? I'm not even gonna talk because I ain't got one to grow. But man, that's crazy. That even the white in the background, you really can't even see it. It's like faint in the mud.
Barbers gone wild.
Hey, stop right now. What? Stop it. Stop it now. Ain't no way, man. Come on, you gotta see that there is no blend to this. No, come on, not even just starting out. Come on, they got tutorials now. We got tutorials now. Come on, man. Nah. They even tried to put the little curve on it. This first guideline, you know how I tell you to put the curve on it? You even put the curve on, man. No, the steps is wrong, son.
Barbers gone wild.
Get up out of here with that.
Barbers gone wild.
Man gave him the mohawk fade.
Barbers gone wild.
Oh no, man. Just let it go. Let it go. I'm not out here looking like that. When it get that bad, and I'm almost there, but when it get that bad, I'm done, bruh. I'm done. You're not about to make me out here looking like that. That is on the line is on the tip top of your head, bro. It's in the middle.
Barbers gone wild.
I can't say how many times
The barber is accused of
I
overcharging.
saved your hairline after you went to the cheap person and they pushed it back.
What?
You told me to back you up when you lied to your wife and told you was getting a haircut, but you was out with your side chick.
It didn't happen. It didn't happen. And I hate to seem like a petty individual for picking apart lies.
Don't forget when you were late for them early morning appointments, coming with your
This
breath
is clever.
smelling like boiled bologna, toe jam, and 2-week-old tuna fish.
Are you kidding me? Why would you downplay me like that?
So that's what
like
you
it's
think?
important in the checks and
liar
balances of the universe.
No, that's why I charged you what I charged you.
Barbers gone wild.
How? How did he get here right here, though? How did he get here right here, though?
Barbers gone wild.
Opa, salve. Então, rapaziada, chegou esse cabelinho pra gente ontem à noite. A mãe dele foi tentar cortar o cabelo dele em casa, infelizmente acabou errando. E muitos disseram que não ia ter nem como consertar mais. Os amigos dele estavam zoando muito ele na escola, ele estava muito triste. Aí ela trouxe aqui pra gente, a gente conseguiu fazer isso aqui. Dá uma olhada aí, rapaziada. Conseguimos efetuar o corte. De quebra, eu lancei até um
Putting back in the game!
Pra puxar um pouquinho mais a atenção. E é isso aí, rapaziada. Fica com o resultado. E eu garanto que ele ficou felizão. E os amigos dele nem vão zoar mais ele na escola.
Barbers gone wild.
OG clean. Okay, this is how it started. OG was real clean though. For real. He got a nice beard, all gray, no black at all gray. Grayed out. He got hair though. It's the craziest thing. Hey, I take this all day. I take this all day rather than just be bald, no hair at all. I take a whole head full of gray. And whoever that barber is, tip every time. Because they shaping and sculpting and molding at this point. It's not even a haircut. This is just, He cutting grass at this point. The symmetrics? The way the symmetrics is set up? If any OG out there, oh, it's a female. Oh, this a female. I don't know why I'm acting surprised. I ain't even gonna do that.
Barbers Gone Wild. Barbers Gone Wild.
Okay, Grandma. Grandma out here blending? New with the design? Grandma out here enhancing? Grandma out here still learning? Grandma out here barring cats. Grandma, you gotta take that at the bottom. You gotta take that bottom half off, though. Come on now. Okay. Oh, Grandma with the save with the blade. Grandma out here.
Barbers Gone Wild.
Woo! Leaning. Oh, this is a double pushback, man. This is a double pushback. This is crazy. This is crazy. We've seen this one before. This is crazy. Go bald, bro. Lord! Lord have mercy.
God have mercy upon us.
If y'all laugh, y'all going to hell. If y'all laugh, y'all going to hell.
Barbers Gone Wild.
All right, little man with the little setup. Hey, yo, send me the link. Where he get that light from? Okay, little man doing house calls. My man he been watching tutorials for real.
Barbers Gone Wild.
All fun and games until it comes to that lineup. No talking when it comes to that lineup, man. I swear. Even though I got some clients, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I got some clients that don't even care. Like they'll talk throughout the lineup, talk throughout the fade, talk throughout the beard trim when I'm all of them. They don't even matter. They trust me that much to think that I ain't gonna mess up. They will talk through the lining of the mustache, how much they be talking and want to chill and just talk. Some people just don't care. I respect this client right here. All right, YouTube, that's the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. Make sure in the comment section, y'all hashtag Barbers Gone Wild if you made it this far, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.